So I'm sure all of us have heard that AI is going to take over the world. How many of you guys in the audience actually feel like maybe it might take over your job someday? So next up, we have Element AI. They are one of the largest AI and largest and most well-funded AI team globally, and they are helping organizations to leverage AI to the fullest. Please welcome Richard.
Good news, everyone. AI is not going to take your jobs. What we believe is that AI is actually going to help people make better decisions more effectively and more efficiently. Element AI is a Canadian company founded in Montreal, one of the world's deep learning hubs, and it was co-founded by Yoshua Bengio, who's considered one of the three godfathers of deep learning. We currently have over 450 AI practitioners, 100 of which are over PhDs, which gives us one of the largest groups of deep learning expertise outside of big tech. We've recently raised up to $250 million in Series B, and we're backed by major institutional investors, including NVIDIA, McKinsey & Company, Intel Capital, and more. So what do? We help companies to accelerate AI adoption in the enterprise. This is a really big challenge, as AI is such a complicated space, and there's so much variation between what's available in open source and what can be done in a proprietary landscape. To do this, we have a range of different offerings, including services such as strategy, use case assessments, executive boot camps, and education workshops, through to specific use case products that we're developing for a variety of different verticals, including financial services and supply chain. But underpinning this is the secret sauce, which is our Element AI OS, which is a proprietary developed platform of an end-to-end model development and model deployment solution that includes a component library of reusable and modular core components trained on world-leading data sets to give pre-trained models that can be trained on your data in the customer's context to give you very high-performing AI solutions. And the way that we do this is that we actually deploy this in particular use case scenarios for customers and bridge together different pieces of AI to create custom solutions that work for them. This may be in capital markets, providing forecasting solutions for investors. This may be in car manufacturing, where we provide explainability solutions to plant operators. So finally, three things that we're trying to do. We're trying to move from lab to impact, stop you from just doing POCs and pilots, and actually help you to move your AI solutions and pilots into production. We do that using our end-to-end model deployment framework. We also have our modular design, so those are these scalable, repeatable, and reusable components that go both vertically and horizontally across use cases. And finally, we focus on trust, because if the users in your organization do not trust the suggestions that are coming to them from the system or the way in which they should interpret those suggestions, then there's no way that they're actually going to use them to benefit and make those smarter decisions. So we believe very firmly in things like human in the loop, explainability, accountability, and we do a lot of governance and advisory work around that space as well. Thank you very much.